Hello everyone, welcome to Goldfinger Money Making Platform. I am Internet Finance Group Propaganda Ambassador. Now I'll introduce you about Internet Finance Platform as well as the way to make money quickly on the platform. Please learn this patiently. With the rapid development of mobile internet and the global context of the new coronavirus, online money making has become the mainstream. So here, the Goldfinger Internet Financial Platform opens the door to wealth for you. You only need a mobile phone and internet access to make money easily. Goldfinger Internet Financial Platform is simple to operate and it will give you timely income. The platform is supervised by bank financial institutions and the funds are safe and convenient. So hey dear, immediately you must follow my footsteps and start a journey to make money. So for this, first you have to register yourself on this amazing platform. Then you can start your profitable journey. So for this, first you have to go to on the official site of this platform, and from there you download the Goldfinger application and then install it in your device, and then open the application and click on the register option. And here you are required to enter your mobile number and create a username and then enter a strong password. In the next column also enter the same password, and then you are required to enter the invitation code or registration code. Then click on the register option and your registration will be successful. So here you log in on this platform, then click on the trading market and choose the ideal trading product. For example, after we click on the gold trading, the screen will display the international real-time price of the gold trading. At the same time, we will see a red key and a green key, which is based on the rational judgment of the directional choice to predict the rise or fall of the gold price. For example, when we predict that gold price will fall, then we click on the sell. Then the page will show the trading time and transaction amount options. We can choose according to their own needs. For example, we choose the trading time is 60 seconds, that is 1 minute, and the transaction amount is according to your principal. Then click on the confirm order. In this way, we have successfully completed the transaction process. So after confirmation of order, at this time we need to wait patiently for the 60 seconds after the transaction results. And of course, I very much hope that this transaction will succeed in generating income for me. If it fails, it doesn't matter, because these internet financial platforms have a professional team of financial analysts. So when you successfully join the professional analyst team, analysts will provide you with efficient and accurate information services. I believe that the strength of the professional team can make our transaction more wealth. So don't worry if you are not a good predictor. Professional team analysts are there for your service. And now I'll brief you about the recharge process. Of course, before joining the team of professional analysts, we need to prepare a lot of trading funds. So here on the home page, when we click on the recharge key, and then the system will automatically jump to the recharge page. And here our platform supports Paytm and bank card recharge options, which is safe and convenient. So from here, select the recharge amount and then click on the confirm recharge. And then here you are required to enter your UPI ID. Once you enter the UPI ID, then click on the proceed to payment. So here I have entered my Paytm UPI ID. Then I will open my Paytm application, and here I will get a payment request. So I will click on the pay to payment, and then it will ask you to enter the transaction password. Once you have entered the transaction password, your recharge will be successful. And now I will explain you how you will get member commission from Goldfinger Internet Financial Platform. So when you will invite your friends with your recommendation code on this Goldfinger platform, then you will get different level of commissions. It is a 7-level run model. Let's make it simple. If you invite your friends A and A trade on the Goldfinger platform, then you will get 20% of the transaction commission of A friend, and your A friend invite to the B to trade on this platform, then you will get 10% commission of the transaction of the B friend. In the same way, B invite to the C, and C invite to the D, and D invite to the E, and E invite to the F, and F invite to the G. Then you will get 5% commission on C transaction, 3% commission on D, 2% on E, and 1% on F and G. Invitation bonus has no upper limit. The more invitations, the more money. Internet finance era comes, choice is greater than effort. Only those who know how to adapt to the trend can have the ability to dominate the wealth. And at the end of this sharing, thank you for your support and trust in Goldfinger Internet Financial Platform.